Why settle for standard patterns? We can print any custom 3D texture on waterproof SPC in just 7 days. Looking for a way to differentiate your brand? Our UV printing technology turns standard SPC into a high-end designer product. This is our DOCAN H3240. It's not just a printer, it's a high precision manufacturing tool for custom wall panels. We offer full 3D embossing, whether it is a marble, wood grain, or custom art. We print textures you can actually feel. Our base material is 100% waterproof SPC. It's durable, fire resistant, and perfect for kitchens, bathrooms, or commercial spaces. The best part, our lead times for custom wholesale orders is only 7 days, high volume, fast delivery, direct from China. Send us your patterns today for a free digital sample. Let's build your custom collection.